Let's have a look at question 2 in this video. So it's about uncertainty. We're wondering whether to send Diedrich a proposal over some policy changes. Now there is a 10% chance that Diedrich accepts it, and our utility in this case would be 400, but the other 90% probability he refuses the proposal and our utility would be only 20. But if we don't make this offer, our utility is just 100. Now, are we gonna send the proposal or not? So one thing to keep in mind, when we work with uncertainty, we have to have a signal that we're going to work with probabilities. And when we work with probabilities, we're going to work with expected utilities. So in this case, we will need the expected utility from sending the proposal. So let's call it expected utility from proposal. And we're also going to need the expected utility from not sending the proposal. Expected utility from not sending proposal. So let's actually work this out. Now the expected utility from sending the proposal, that's going to be the probability that it works out and we have a certain utility from that, plus 1 minus that probability multiplied with the utility if it doesn't work out. So let's actually use the values in the question. We have 10% chance that it works out and our utility is 400. So that's 0.1 times 400 plus the remaining 90%, it doesn't work out, so 0.9, and our utility would be just 20, so times 20. And if we solve the math over here, that would be 40 plus 18, which is equal to 58. That would be the expected utility. Now, what's the expected utility if we don't send that? Well, that's the probability from not sending the proposal and the utility from not sending the proposal. And we know that the probability, so if we do not make the offer, the utility is equal to 100, so it's certain, meaning that the probability is just 100%, which is the same as 1, times the utility from that is 100, so that's equal to 100. Now if you compare these two, it's clear that we are better off not sending the proposal. It's too risky to be rejected. So 100 is better than 58, meaning that we do not send. So not send. And that's it, we are done.